In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save PDF file as image. So first, I'm going on Google. Then here type PDF to image. So here are the lots of free and paid website you can use anyone. So I choose the first one. This is good and attractive. I love PDF. I always use. So first, I choose this PDF file. You can choose as you need which one. So okay, this is one page, three page. If you have a multiple page, you don't need extra work. You need to click on page to PDF, otherwise extract images. Then click on convert page JPG. Then again click on download JPG. That's good. So now you need to unzip this PDF file. Otherwise, you can doing I can doing here this one. This is a three page, a page to JPG. Just click on convert JPG, then again click on download JPG. That's it. So here is the two type of zip file. You need to unzip right away. So just download and just click on right button on your PC. So this one, just right button, I can click on extract files. Then next, okay, it's already unzipped. If I going on here, you can see three page available on here. So this is the method how you can save PDF to uh, images. So if you have a one page, you don't need to extra work like uh, unzip a PDF. If you have a one page, is directly download to images. I hope you understand. So if you found this very helpful for me, make sure you like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.